everybody, and welcome to the third Do What You Want to Do video, where you actually learn something. Now, you've all learned about iOS 9. And you upgraded because you wanted the nice battery life, an hour extra. Now, you regretted it because iOS 9 anymore, and you want to go back to iOS 8. Examples of these are on the iPad 2, YouTube doesn't work. The home button doesn't work. Now, I reinstalled YouTube many times, but it wouldn't work. So then I just rebooted the Wi-Fi on the iPad only. It's like I just turned Wi-Fi off, turned it back on, reconnected to my network. Didn't work. So then I did the thing I don't like to do. Restart the iPad. I shut the iPad down, waited a little bit, and restarted it. Guess what? It worked like a charm. Thank you for watching this Do What You Want to Do video that will help you fix iOS 9. P.S. iOS 9 is not a beta version. It is the final version. These were done under the circumstances of an 2011 iPad 2 Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this Do What You Want to Do video. Please subscribe to this channel for future videos and past videos. There has been one video on math and another video on computering. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.